Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In today's video, I am going to be counting my sinking funds as we close out September and enter in October. So if that is something that you are here for, just go ahead and keep on watching. I will be tracking my sinking funds in the Elevated Life Co. budget book. And first we're gonna go ahead and start with this is kind of like my general sinking funds. This holds a lot of my sinking funds, and so this is where we're gonna start. So first we have medical, and let's see how much we have here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So we have $95 in medical, and I'm just gonna put that in the starting balance. So I am starting over in my budget for those who are not aware. So this is actually, I kind of took out some money, and so now we're starting fresh. So I really want to make sure that I am tracking this. Okay, car registration has $5, $10, $20 in car registration. And hair, and this is for me to get my hair done, for me to pay the beautician. We have $25. This is not for the actual weave hair. We got something else for that. We got another envelope for that. Clothes. This is clothes for me. We have $25. Guys, the fashion out right now. Got that leather. Ooh, and I don't have any. I have only a couple pieces of leather, but I'm gonna have to stay focused. Auto care, we have 20, 40, 45 in auto care. And in support, we do not have anything in support. I do want to add and contribute to this envelope. Cleaners, let's see what we have in cleaners. We have $2 in cleaners. Definitely want to contribute to this envelope so that when I'm ready to clean my clothes, when I take my clothes to the cleaners, I already have the money. Costco, let's see what Costco has. Costco has 20, 30, 35, 40, 45 in Costco. This is for my annual membership fee. I am thinking about increasing it so that I can get a rebate at the end of the year. So if you do have Costco and you have the, I don't know what membership that is, but let me know in the comments if it's worth it or not. So AAA, I have AAA for myself and my daughter. Let's see what we have here. We have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, $64 in our AAA. AAA is due every like March, and I think it's like 170, 175, something like that. So JW has 0. I'm going to start contributing to this. Wigs and Weaves has 0 as well. Now this is for the actual weave hair. Job Petty Cash has 0. Holidays, let's see what Holidays has. 20, 45. Holidays is coming up. I'm thinking about starting a savings challenge. I am actually, not I'm thinking, I will be, so stay tuned for that. Birthdays, I didn't even write that down. Car wash, I desperately need a car wash. Everybody has been telling me that I need one, but nobody's contributing to the envelope though. Car wash is $15. I'm just gonna go to one of those kind of like drive-in car washes. I usually have a guy who comes to my house, but unfortunately him not in the budget. Nails is 0, and then investing is 0. So we are not doing too bad. We definitely do need to you know, start adding to some of these envelopes. So homework, who remembers the OG homework binder? Oh, this binder is near and dear to my heart, let me tell you guys, okay? Near and dear to my little old heart. So home maintenance, let's see what we have here. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So we have 150 in home maintenance. So we'll definitely continue to contribute to this envelope. We definitely need a lot more in that. It's just that, you know, my home is kind of still under warranty. So if anything gets, you know, broken or they need to come fix it, I just give them a call and they come right on over and fix it. So shutters, we're going to be starting this envelope back up. Right now we have 0. I only have one more room of shutters to get, and it's about $700 and some odd dollars, 7 something for the 3 windows that I have, and then we'll be done with that project and then we'll move on. I know y'all don't want to hear about them shutters no more. I love this binder. Okay, so we have one more envelope, and that is the giveaways envelope. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 in the giveaway envelope. So we're not doing too bad. I do plan on increasing my contributions to my sinking funds in the month of October, but it's definitely good to see where I am and at least the progress that I have made. So that is it for this video. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Say hi to me in the comments. But I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.